In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom mixer brush in Photoshop so you can get more control, more personality, and a more natural painting feel in your digital artwork. Custom mixer brushes are perfect for painters, illustrators, and anyone who wants to blend colors in a more organic way. If you've ever felt limited by the default brushes, this is going to be a game changer. Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials and creative tips. Alright, let's get started. To create a custom mixer brush in Photoshop, the first thing you need is a brush shape that you want to turn into a preset. This can be anything from a simple textured mark to a more complex custom shape you've painted yourself. Open a new document or an existing file and make sure your brush mark or shape is clearly visible on the canvas. It's a good idea to keep the background simple so Photoshop can define the brush cleanly. Once you're happy with the brush shape, use a selection tool if needed to select the area you want to turn into a preset. This step helps you control exactly what gets saved in the preset. Now, go up to the main menu at the top of Photoshop. Click on Edit, and then choose Define Brush Preset. As soon as you click this, Photoshop will open a small panel asking you to name your new brush. This is a really important step, especially if you plan to create multiple custom brushes over time. Give your brush a descriptive and fun name. The descriptive part makes it much easier to find later in your brush list, especially when your library starts to grow. For example, you might include words like mixer, texture, soft, or paint, depending on how the brush behaves. After naming your brush, click OK, and your custom brush is now saved inside Photoshop. At this point, you can switch to the Mixer Brush tool from the toolbar. Open the Brush Settings panel to fine-tune how the mixer brush behaves. This is where the real magic happens. You can adjust settings like wetness, load, mix, and flow to control how much the brush blends colors on your canvas. Experiment with these sliders to get the exact blending style you want, whether that's a smooth painterly mix or a more textured, dry brush effect. It's also a good idea to test your new mixer brush on a blank layer. Try painting with different colors and see how they blend together. If something feels off, don't worry. You can always go back into the brush settings and tweak things until it feels right. Creating custom mixer brushes is often an experimental process, so take your time and have fun with it. The more you experiment, the more unique your brushes will become. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom mixer brush in Photoshop and learned how to name and customize it for easy use later. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.